So, hello viewers, नमस्कार, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आउट ऑफ वर्क्स विद अनिल पांडे। आज मैं बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो रियल एस्टेट के बारे में लाया हूँ कि कौन से एरिया बेंगलोर में ऐसे हैं जो कि रियल एस्टेट में जो बायर्स इच्छुक हैं और जो जानना चाहते हैं। मेरे पास बहुत मैसेज आती है कि आप उन एरिया के बारे में बेंगलोर में बताएं, जैसे कि सरजापुर है और आपका यलहंका है, हैपल है। तो इस और भी अदर एरिया है कि जिसमें कि रियल एस्टेट की ग्रोथ पता चल पाए। सो बायर जो इंटरेस्टेड हैं दे कैन टेक देयर डिसीजन विद दिस इंफॉर्मेशन विच आई एम जस्ट sharing with you. So be with the video up to last, and also before starting the video don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. So now I will start the video. Bengaluru real estate, if you see key investment area, as you know Bangalore is divided in four part, north, south, east and west. उसमें कौन कौन से एरिया हैं जो कि जिसमें हायर ग्रोथ नियर फ्यूचर में आपको मिल सकती है। बिकॉज कईयों का ये रहता है कि मैं अपने सेल्फ यूज़ के लिए कुछ प्रॉपर्टी खरीदूं या फिर अपने जो फ्यूचर ग्रोथ के लिए मैं प्रॉपर्टी में ग्रोथ ऑल ओवर इंडिया लोग जो या तो गोल्ड लेते हैं प्रॉपर्टी के या फिर प्रॉपर्टी लेते हैं, तो उसमें ज़्यादा इन कंपैरिजन टू बैंक ज़्यादा ग्रोथ मिलती है। सो बोथ द एस्पेक्ट के लिए मैं इस वीडियो को आपको जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो दोनों मिल जाएगी इसमें। सो नौ पहला एरिया जो आता है यलहंका है। क्यों है? क्योंकि एयरपोर्ट के काफ़ी नज़दीक है ये, और इसकी सराउंडिंग में जो इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट है उसके एनीबडी बिकॉज मैक्सिमम बिजनेस जो है वो उस तरफ जा रहा है यलहंका की तरफ। That's why it is making very prime area for rental growth, and also not only rental growth. If you see surrounded by so many IT offices, corporate offices are there, and private, granted schools, infrastructure. So many infrastructures are going there, shopping complex and hospitals. If you see branded hospital on that road, Aster Hospital, and then Columbia SA. These are the few branded hospitals, and so many things are going. So the hot property, and it is well connected to Namma Metro. Connectivity is also nice. So एक तो ये जो प्रॉपर्टी में ग्रोथ एरिया है वो प्लेस यलहंका है। नाउ दूसरा जो आता है बनरघट्टा रोड, अगेन बिकॉज क्लोज टू Bannerghatta Zoo, close to IIM Bangalore, and so it not only it houses so many IT company, IT corporate offices, again schools, branded schools, hospitals are on that road, and then surrounded by prominent neighborhood like Jayanagar, JP Nagar, and it is in all the way, if you say it is also a real estate growth area is coming. And third is coming Koramangala, you see the center of the Bangalore, connected to all prime business centers and all schools, branded, again surrounded by IT companies. So it is, you can say, very center location in the Bangalore. Now neighborhood is also very good, and also it blend classic charm with contemporary living, and then with so this Koramangala is also very much for growth point of view or your self living purpose. Koramangala is also very favorite for real estate. And fourth most is Whitefield. None other than the infrastructure is much more in real estate. Branded infrastructures are running to Whitefield. You might be seeing दिन में करीब जो है पूरा गोदरेज, प्रेस्टीज, आपका जो रिनोन्ड शोभा, ब्रिगेड and so many Lodha groups, they are just making their run towards Whitefield. And because why? Again, it is also a central location to so many IT corporate offices and schools, and जो कंपोनेंट हैं जो रियल एस्टेट की ग्रोथ के लिए 4 या 5 कंपोनेंट होते हैं वो सारे इसमें हैं। आपकी जो प्रोफेशनल वर्किंग है वो नियर बाई है, स्कूल कॉलेजेस वो इसके सराउंडेड नियर बाई है, ब्रांडेड हॉस्पिटल्स एंड अदर शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सेस दे आर नियर बाई। कनेक्टिविटी वाइज द phase 2 metro is coming to this place, so it is making very much top position in the real estate. Another top super top you can say Sarjapur. the maximum growth, because this area is not open till now. Everybody, everywhere now, you see congested area and other thing guys. This area Sarjapur is expanding with a very higher growth. Again, I told previously also, so many branded builders are reaching to this point. So much infrastructure is going here to build this landmark in the Bangalore city. You know, so known for its connectivity all around to Electronic City, to Kormangala, to HSR layout, to even airport. So with upcoming development like Namma Metro is coming to this place, so it is a very higher growth point in this region of the Bangalore. And people have asked me through the messages कि आप ये जो है डिफरेंट कि इनके बारे में बताइए प्रॉपर्टी ग्रोथ के बारे में. तो ये जो वो एरिया है HSR उसमें सबसे ऊपर आता है, क्योंकि अभी जो प्राइस आपको प्रॉपर्टी का इधर मिल जाएगा वो इंदिरा नगर में नहीं मिलेगा, वो कोरमंगला में नहीं मिलेगा. अभी भी ये डाउन सपोज बढ़ा तो है 8,000 स्क्वायर फीट से, नाउ इट हैज रीच टू 13,000 स्क्वायर फीट फॉर गुड लोकेलिटी. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो a place where you can think of investing for living self, or for investing for your future growth. This area you can keep, you can, if suppose you got a money, then you can take a 1,200 square feet of a plot, and for your growth you can sell it out, or you can take any unit there. You can have the your money back through the rental income. So many things, so many options you will get here. Inventories you will get, plot you will get this area, even independent house you will get in this area, because land is not that much sought as it is in other area. It is पूरा ब्लॉक हो गया, जैसे कोरमंगला और डमलूर वगैरह में जाए, इंदिरा नगर में जाए, तो वहाँ तो ज़मीन बची नहीं है. अभी जो ज़मीन का एक्सपेंशन है, जो लैंड का एक्सपेंशन है, जो ग्रोथ है, वो टुवर्ड्स एयरपोर्ट है और ये है. एंड ये आपका जो शाहजहाँपुर इंदिरा नगर, अगेन the most, earlier I will say the topmost city of the Bangalore is Indira Nagar, which is also having so much growth, and naturally the real estate is on the higher cost here. Electronic city, yes, electronic city still it has got very much chances or priority on this region to have a very much trendy, and still because it makes connectivity very easier to all the major part of the Bangalore. So this is regarding the real estate, where people can think of buying, or people can think of investing in this property. So how you like this video? It is only for information purpose, because I got so many calls or messages through my channel, because people are having a curiosity to invest in the real estate, and so they wanted to know which area is more can give the return to them well, or for self use also. So these are the area. You just have also your analysis, you do your analysis, your research work, move out on the weekend, check that area, and if it is feasible to you, and for your budget, for your family, and for your point of view, then you can take. There is, because again the growth you will get in real estate, as the market is roaring like anything, so you certainly will get a growth in this if you choose wisely and go there, visit. Don't hurry in the buying property. Check all the litigation, I say you. Check all the litigation or all the documents properly before you're investing your hard-earned money. So how you like this informative video? Let me know through comment box. And also again, it is requested to viewer, kindly subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to press bell icon. Till next video, bye everyone. Be happy with your family, or that's all.